What's going on? I want to say welcome to the video. Um, Today I want to just pretty much give my econ review. It's been a month to date since I got started with my econ, and I took this month pretty much just to go through the services, just to really be a product of the product. I did have a sign up, but pretty much I just want to really focus on the meaning of the company. Myecon is a financial wellness company that's going to teach you debt elimination, how to dispute things on your credit, get your credit back, to that high 750 and above. How to manage your expenses, how to manage yourself as a independent business owner, because that's what you become when you join Myecon, and pretty much just help you financially understand, how to keep growing every year, every month, every week. So pretty much the biggest thing, that I took advantage first, credit building takes time. It doesn't take a lot of time, but it's going to take you, consistently going through the training, consistently sending out those forgiveness letters, sending out those dispute letters, really understanding your credit score. It's going to take you a little bit of time, especially depending on how much time you have to put into it. So I started with the debt elimination. The debt elimination software is going to have you list all your debt, student loans, credit cards, whatever it is, your interest rates, and your minimum payments. And it's going to show you, how long it's going to take you to pay those things off, with that regular minimum, with the interest and everything included. Myecon also offers a thing called income shifting, which is going to help you. If most of you work, have a career, have a 9-to-5 right now, it's going to help you get more money back on your weekly or bi-weekly check. And this is something that you can do right away. It's going to show you how to go fill out your W-4 and get back what you're supposed to get back right away. The only reason we have big income tax checks is because you're overpaying in federal taxes, per year. Some people like this. I'd rather get my money now so I won't have to depend, I would rather get my money now so I wouldn't have to depend on a tax income check at the end of the year. I want to get paid now, and I want to get ahead now, and I want to save more money now. So right off the bat, going through that income shift is going to help you get back however much, you want to get back, per weekly or bi-weekly check. And then you're going to take that extra cash and put it towards your debt elimination. So now, instead of paying that $30 minimum, you're going to add whatever it is you're getting back on your check into that, and you're going to pretty much double or triple pay to knock this debt off even quicker. That 6, 7, 8 month finance, we're going to knock that down to 3 months or maybe even quicker. This is the way to get ahead. So once, I went through that, lined that up, and that's what I've been really focusing on this month, really eliminating old debt in a quick amount of time. That's been a big, substantial thing just in that. That's been exciting, gave me clarity, gave me the understanding, how to get rid of that, because debt, minimum payments, credit card payments, it becomes a bill. So you believe it or not, you think, okay, yeah, I get to get this, this iPad or whatever it is that I couldn't afford regularly, but you're really losing out on a lot of other opportunities because you're paying all these bills. You overpaying in bills because, you letting these leases or these finances go too long. Interest gathers and it takes double, triple the time to pay off. A lot of you know this, but this company, Myecon, is going to really let you know this and really show you how to get that clarity back and how to get that money back and start living your life now. That's been the biggest thing. I've been going through the credit as well, and I approached the credit, say you get started, I approached the credit as far as I wanted to gather all the information first. So I go in there writing notes, going through all the modules, writing notes down, really understanding what I'm going to be doing. As far as the process of actually sending out dispute letters, all that is, filling out some information, sending out the letters. The biggest part of it is understanding why you're filling out these letters, understanding why you're sending these certain things and when to send these certain things. So it's pretty much been very, I say a company that's been very, I feel like I'm getting a bang for my buck. I feel like what I'm paying for is really something that I need in my life. it's actually made life more exciting, because now I'm seeing so much more money back, you know, now up front, just with integrating some of these few methods. You know, as far as, you know, helping other people make money with this opportunity, this is why this video is important. Be a product of the product, you know, simple as that. Show people why they need this thing, and they're gonna keep this thing and never get rid of this thing, and you're gonna make money, you know, infinitely. But yeah, I'm gonna cut this video short. I want to upload some real knowledge on my econ review in 2020, and really show you, you know, how I'm attacking my econ. Now, and I think I'm gonna kick it up this month too. I'm really gonna kick it up and probably start, you know, really bringing referrals in. You know, I'm really ready to build a team, and really, you know, for this low cost company, the money income in this is just, it can't be described. But yeah, this month I'm really gonna focus on recruiting, really focus on bringing people in, sharing this opportunity, upload more YouTube videos, and yeah. And thank you for everyone visiting the YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe, give this a thumbs up, and stay tuned. It's gonna be a lot of exciting things coming. I'm not really looking to bring too many more you know, companies. Anything I'm looking to bring to this channel is something for your lifestyle, you know, that's gonna fit your lifestyle, or something that you really need and want to integrate in your daily lives. And that's pretty much it from here on. But like I said, thanks for watching. Comment below if you have any questions. Information will be in the description. Make sure you visit that, visit the link, just check out the information, even if you're not ready to get started. And the sky's the limit.